Saturday morning, yay! Saturday morning fabrics. Let me show you what we've got. This is a beautiful 100% cotton. This is a panel. It's 27 inches. 100% cotton, stretch in both directions, so you can see it contains the two panels, so maybe front, back, or a little cape, little summer cape. Just pretty. 100% cotton. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, so pretty. This is a second skin. Love this fabric. Great drape, as you can see. Great drape. Stretch in both directions. This is a cotton poly. Beautiful piece of fabric. Same color. Both sides are usable. Look at the drape on that baby. It's just lovely. Then we have a print that just goes with all the colors. It's got the purple. It's got the wines. It's got everything in here. It's just so beautiful. Just a really pretty blend. It's a cotton poly. It's a mesh. And I just love these meshes. They're all over the place. They're really popular. They're very expensive. And these are all reduced today. They're not, they're $12.99 and up. And then there'll be that lower prices for a couple days. We've got velvet, because velvet is all over for spring. It's really popular. So some stretch velvet, has stretch in both directions. It's really beautiful. You can see by the drape and the nap, it's just pretty. It's just perfect for spring. Good color. This is one of our strongest spring colors. We've got our insects. I love it. Our little dragonflies, our all kinds of butterflies. It's just adorable. This is just such a cute print. And of course, all the colors in here. We've got the grape color that we started with, the wine that we're morphing to. This is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. Great drape. Just a great little summer shirt. Dress would be appropriate. Just cute as can be. Even pants. Pants would be so cute. Even leggings. It's just adorable. And then we've got 100% cotton. You can see it coordinates just really nicely with it. This is 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. Just a really pretty piece of fabric. So the goal is, as you know, great fabrics make our sewing so much happier. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.